The winter solstice is celebrated on December the 21st and 22nd in the Northern Hemisphere. This marks the first day of winter when the sun is furthest from the earth and is the shortest day of the year. The sun will die at midnight on December 21st and it will stand still for 3 days before it rebirths at midnight on December 24th. On December 24th, Sirius, the star in the east and the brightest star in the night sky, aligns with the brightest Orion belt stars called the Three Kings. And on December 25th, these all point to the location where the sun will rise on Earth that day. Solar deities and sun worship can be found throughout most of recorded history. Many ancient cultures constructed megalithic structures to mark and align with the winter solstice, such as Stonehenge in the UK. Still to this day, many people follow the footsteps of our ancestors to visit Stonehenge and other ancient sacred sites to connect with the energy of the sun during this astronomical event. Winter is a time to let yourself rest in the peace of darkness, safe in the knowledge that the season will change and there will be many brighter days ahead. There is no need to put any pressure on yourself during the winter. Just let the energies of inspiration build slowly, and by the spring you'll be blooming again. You are nature, and you are part of the cycles and rhythms of this universe. This is a time to nurture yourself with compassion, allowing for rest and reflection. You may want to take some time during the winter solstice just to honor and acknowledge the endings and beginnings in your life, perhaps in a ceremony or personal ritual that both honors your past and clears space to make room for what you wish to invite for the coming year. Whatever you choose to do to mark the end of this year, the coming of the new, and the rebirth of light, whether pausing in quiet reflection or celebrating with community, know that all over the planet there are many fires burning brightly.